Hello and Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your social studies teacher with Sayyida Rakshanda Zahra. Today we are going to start our new geography chapter, that is trade. So let's have a look. What is trade? Trade is buying and selling of goods and services. Yes, there's a link given to you on this slide also, and at the end of the slides you'll be having all the links of the videos together, and you may watch these videos for your better understanding. Okay, students, a question arises when there was no money and when there was no medium of exchange. So what did people used to do? How did they trade? They also have a system of trade. Yes, they had a system of trade too. See, what is barter system? In trade, barter is a system of exchange where participants in a transaction directly exchange goods or services for other goods or services without using a medium of exchange such as money. Yes, so in a barter system, there is no need of any medium of exchange such as money. So people just exchange their goods and services. Let's have a look on some important terminologies related to trade. First of all, imports. What are imports? These are goods and services that are bought from other countries and brought into the country. Exports are when goods and services are sold and sent to other countries. And exports bring in foreign exchange. What is foreign exchange? Foreign exchange is the exchange of one country's currency for another. What is transit trade? The trade which arises from the passage of goods through one country or region to another. Let's have an example of transit trade. You have listened that the Pakistan and Afghanistan have signed a transit trade agreement, yes, in 2010, and it is a bilateral trade agreement signed by Pakistan and Afghanistan that calls for greater facilitation in the movements of goods among these countries. What are commodities? A raw material, commodity is a raw material or any primary agricultural product that can be bought and sold, such as copper or coffee. Okay, stock exchange. Recently, you have watched on the TV also that there was an attack on the stock exchange. So, what is stock exchange, and what happens in this building actually? A stock exchange or securities exchange or bourse is a facility where stockbrokers and traders can buy and sell securities such as shares of stock and bonds and other financial instruments. Okay, why do people trade? What is the need of trade and why trade is important? Students, not every country can produce everything that its people need, obviously. So trading helps people what they need. If they do not have resources, if they do not have the facilities to have those things or the needs in their own country, so they do trade. Countries trade with each other when on their own they do not have the resources or capacity to satisfy their own needs and wants. Okay, again there is a video link given for you, especially for why do people trade and the importance of trading, and you may watch this video after this presentation for your clarification, more clarification. Okay, trade are of two different types. Let's have a look on the types of trade. Trade can be domestic trade, that includes the wholesale and retail, and the second type of trade is the international trade, that includes import trade and export trade. See, local, domestic, home trade. Buying and selling within a country is called local or national trade, whereas international trade is the buying and selling with other countries. It's called international trade. Let's see our video also, students, for your more clarification. So students, you have watched the video. I hope that you have got a lot of information while watching this video. Okay, there is an assignment for you. What does your assignment say? Okay, question number 1 is you have to define the following terms, that is trade, imports, exports, foreign exchange, transit trade, commodity, and stocks exchange. Question number 2 is differentiate between local and international trade. And third question is what do you understand by barter system? Okay, there are links of all the videos, one of the video that we have just seen, but the rest of the videos you can see, and they would be really fruitful for you to understand these lessons. Thank you, students. Inshallah, we will meet with the next topic again soon. So, till then, Allah Hafiz.